Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Shavila Sau and I am from Bilai Khursipar. And today's our topic is impact of social media, pros and cons. And I have some pros of social media. First is I am a student and it is very necessary for our student life, like our knowledging and if we want to if we want to take any information, so we can go to social media and we can search it and we can collect many information which is we need. And second is social media is very important for job person and educated person, because their work is done by social media, and we can use YouTube and Instagram and Facebook, and we can earn money also for this, and we can post videos and we can make many YouTube channels. And third is we can talk with our family. If we are away from our family, so we can talk with our family and friends, and we can make many new friends, and we can talk unknown person also. And fourth is it is very important for our educational life, like working and knowledge, and some people use it for entertainment and studying and knowledging. That's and my cons is we can use it our phone and our laptop, and its radiation is not good for our mind, and its light is not good for our eyes. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, so according to me, social media is neither good nor bad. It depends upon a person how they are using for beneficial effect or harmful effect. So, as we know that during lockdown, all used to use social media, attending online classes, or they used to attend online classes. Or if any person get doubts, so they go through the YouTube, Google, and they search their doubts. And the disadvantages are that many people give more and more time to games, and they use phone. So it is not good for health. They got mental health, and phone's radiation is also not good for mind and screen also. So it's all upon you.
So first of all, I would like to say my name. My name is Khushbu, and today is a topic which is social media impacts on others, like others' life. So first of all, I would like to say the pros of social media, which is we can interact with many of the people all around the world. We can connect with people with social media. With the help of social media, we can get many of the information. If we are a student, then it's a need for a student's life that they could get knowledge, they could get information from all over things, like from newspaper we get knowledge or information by newspaper. But there is a thing from which we can get information, that is social media. It could be anything like YouTube, WhatsApp, and many more. And we can also get entertained by these things, like from YouTube we can get entertained by listening music, watching videos, cartoons, and etc. And if we go back few decades back, there wasn't any entertainment things. We had to do many of the struggle for listening just a single song, like we had to collect batteries, CDs or radios, and we had to wait for our favorite song for a week, because at that time we didn't have that much things to get entertained by them. So that was the reason that we have got many of the things for entertainment nowadays, just because of social media. And the another thing is we can interact with people from all around the world. We can connect with our family members if they are staying away from us, like if they live in other country or in other states also, and we don't have anything to connect with them, so we can connect with them by social media. We can make video call and we can watch them. We can provide them, like we can send them videos of us, of our families, and we can do conversation on cell phone by anything, like there are WhatsApp, Instagram, YouTube. There are many things. And there is a one thing also, which is showing our creativity and our talent on social media, which is the favorite and one of the fascinating thing which I want to say that if many times ago, like many decades ago, few decades ago, there was a thing that we can't show our talent to all the people. But now it has become like we can show our talent to all around the people. If they are watching us from another world, they can also watch us with the help of social media. If we are making videos of our talent, the people would appreciate us, that how we are showcasing our talent, and it is good or not. So these are the things which is very good for us, and which is very important, which are we are getting many of the things by social media which are good for us. But there are many bad things also, which is so first of all, that cons of social media, which is cybercrime, which is having done by many of the people who are doing bad things, who are making these things, who are trying to do this illegal things with other people. They are providing fake knowledge, fake information to others, so that people understand. If people knew it earlier that it is fake news, that is okay. But what if they don't know that it is fake news or real news? They get confused and they do wrong thing with that. And there is another thing, which is health. Many of the people are using cell phone and social media just to entertain themselves, and they are wasting their lots of times. And in students life, the time has importance. They have to utilize their time and they have to manage their time. But the thing is, social media, because of that, many of the people are wasting their time. So it is not better for their future, for their health also. Their eyes are getting weak because of that. That's it.
Hello everyone, this is Amandeep Kaur and I am from Bhilai Camp 1. So many people nowadays are very getting confusion that social media, the impact of social media is a boon or a bane for the country. So I have some boon for why we should use social media in our generation. We have different generation in our country, and it's a different boon for the different generation of our country. So if I talk about the kids, so most prominent among all, it serves is an most unique and excellent teaching tools, which one can access all over the information in our area. So a student can get many things from the social media, like they can attend seminars, they can get any type of chapters and mathematics and many things people can get from the social media, which is the boon for the kids. And not only these things, we have many different kind of talent to learn from the social media. Like if anyone is not interested in study, so they can get they can have different type of tools for doing the dance, singing and all lot of things they can learn from the social media. And if we talk about the adults, so they also have many things which have different kind of benefits from the social media. Now as people who are not interested in study, also adults people, they are using their mobile phone, and they have also doing online job and little many things about that. They can earn from anything from the social media, which is very beneficial for them. They also have, like, people are using now reels and all, they also get to benefit from them, who get famous in social media, like in reels and many things. There is also some games, like they also earn from that also, like games on many people, like they have many followers also, they are getting money from them. So it's also a good thing that we are doing. And if we are talk about our senior citizens, so they have many like sitting in a home, they can do anything, because if they wants to listen bhajan and all, they have all the things in social media, like singing, all the devotional things they can get from them. And many, if we talk about if we want to know something medically, so we can get from the social media. If they have needs to know about any medicines, they can just speak from AI, they can reply them, and they just know what is the use of the medicines. So these kind of things is a boon of our generation. And if we talk about the other things, except of these things, we have also, like, we can not not in this area, we have also internationally call and online booking, and online money transfer. And we also can get it's also a beneficiary from the industry and medical science. There are many machinery who is developing our medical lines and industry also. They have also, and people also, like teachers, we can say teachers and other sectors, people who is advertising from the social media. These are the things which can improve and famous them, and also spread their information to the people who can get all the information about them. And like for teachers, they also advertising their classes and all from the social media, which is going to the all the student from any other cities and other cities and states. They also get admission from online. So these are the benefits for all the generations. And if I talk about the bane, so we have equal bane for the people. Like if, as we were talking about kids, so they also, like every morning they just wake up and they just need mobile phone. So these also are very bad for the people, because in our time, we as we were talking, I was talking about the before I was talking about the thing which is we used to before, as in our generation, we are adult. Before, it was like we didn't had our thing which is we didn't used to have for mobile phone. So we used to connect with the people physically connect. But now generation they are more concentrating only in mobile phone. So it's just decreasing the physical connects with the people, which is not good for the people. And also it's increasing screen time causes the mental illness through the radiations. So this kind of things is the bane for our life. And I can say that not only for, I think, kids, it's also for bad for the adults, that whole day they are spending all the time of they are in social media accepting study. And there are a lot of many different kind of things which is not I think appropriate for the people. It is also coming in all the things, so it's not good for them. So these are the bane for the bane for social media. Thanks from my side.
If I talk about impact of social media, so nowadays we are addicting of social media from waking up to sleeping. We first what we use, so it was the social media. If I talk about its prawns, so there is a many prawns of it, like gain information. We can easily gain information whatever we have any doubt in a topic. If we like in YouTube and in Google, if we search that topic, we get a lots of video related to that topic, and we can easily clear our doubt. Second is connectivity. We can easily connect with anyone. Like if we want to do any specific courses and the teacher was in far away from us, so we can easily connect with him in a with the social media. And then is the creativity. Like if you have any hidden talent and which we are unable to show to others, so we easily so download our creativity in social media, and with that is the path of we can earn from that. Like if we are like a YouTuber, they are earning lots of money. If I talk about that cons, there is a lots of cons. As a research, we are spending 3 to 4 hours of our daily life. That is not good for our health. And there is a many cyber criming happening there. And if I talk about our health, is not good for our health. There is if there is a many knowledge by video, so there is a lots of video which is disconnected with to us with our study and all. Like there is a many video which is which are 30 second and 1 minute. Like if we talk about a long video, so we are unable to spend that time in long video. But if I talk about a small video, we are spending our time scrolling that videos, and when half and 1 hour pass, we didn't imagine it that. So and because of using of cell phone, now a generation is aggressive, and if their parents is said to them don't use this cell phone, they started to argument with them, and they are not listening them. And because of social media using that, and 90s we live like our locality, live like our neighbors and our locality. We are close like them. We respect our parents like them. But now we try to change ourselves like social media's people. Like if they we are close like that, and way of talking, we try to make ourselves like them, which is not a good thing. And we are supposed to listen our parents, because they are the bond of life, and they sacrifice for us. If you want to use social media, you can use, but in a positive way, not a negative way. That's it.
So to conclude this topic of social media pros and cons, I would like to say that as despite having benefits, we also have same equal disadvantage also. So student must maintain stability in usage. So thank you so much.